I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Spotify for creators with icon settings. In this page, you go here to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will go to this sign and you will search about Spotify for creators. Here in this page, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your